So here we are. Thank you for joining us in the GTA Toronto. As you saw in our earlier video, we have water pipes here, as you can see. We're going to have a nice cozy master bath and a nice straight floor with this dry pack. So we're basically putting about 2.5 inches. That's what's needed here in this bathroom to go flush here with the doorway, and the hardwood is going to be going. So we're allowing the hardwood and the tile and the dry pack to hit a nice smooth surface, nice flush. So basically, give us a call at 416-937-8115 here in the GTA Toronto. And we can get your floors all leveled, kitchen, bath, basements, commercial, residential, all ready for tile, carpet, engineered hardwood or glue down if you prefer. Whatever systems clients or designers or contractors want to use, this is what we're here for. Get the job done. Again, you know, this is dry pack concrete sand. If people are not understanding how to level floors, not the liquid, we can't do that. We use this in swimming pools and all kinds of places for 1, 2, 3, 4 inches of dry pack. We also do driveways with water heated system for the snow outside. You know, we could put some flagstone, some interlocking, whichever people tend to use. So right now he's doing the squeed here. You know, he's got long 12-foot aluminum straightedges here. Okay, so we go level across. As you can see, we did this part right to the door, and now we're just gonna all fill it in and show you the smoothing stages as we finish. Again, I don't know what to say. This is basically the way to go. 26 years plus on dry packing and tiling. So give us a call at 416-937-8115 and we'll show you the procedures. We'll come over and give you a professional advice and quote how to start your job right and finish it. Thank you.